All right, hello. My name is Mr. Westpatal. I teach Algebra 2 and Computer Science at Rogers High School. This is I think my 13th year of teaching. I've also been coaching for 12 years, the boys soccer team. I love doing that every fall, being out there. And then I also advise the D&D club. And I'm not sure if that'll be going this year with the COVID and everything, but if it is, eventually, um, I like doing that and working with the kids in that. Um, just a few things about me. I like my hobbies are reading, playing sports, um, pretty much every sport you can think of, um, and then just spending time with my wife and child. I have for you quick a good thing I like to do to get to know kids here is a game called Two Truths and a Lie. So here are my statements. There's three statements about me, one of which is a lie. And so in this game, your job is to try and figure out um, which one is the lie. All right. And so let's see. My three statements. I wanted to name my son Pablo, but my wife would not let me. I want to eat two Chipotle burritos in 30 minutes. And my last name, Westpatal, is a made up last name. So you have to figure out which one of those three is not true about me. And you can email your answer, guess one, two, or three, to the email shown on the screen there. And I'll reply back with the answer. Um, You can also send me your three statements. Just make sure one of them's a lie. And I like to get to know my students that way. So if you'd like to do that, you can. Um, all right. I look forward to a good year together, and I'm excited just to be back in school and be back in person at least a little bit, seeing with the kids. All right. Take care.